Hello guys, welcome once again with my next video tutorial 9. Now I will show you how to texture mapping and blending with 3D. Like this, the result, like that. You can do like that also. And the first we must to write the header file bmp.h like that for get the image bitmap for the project. So we must to copy the bitmap image to our your project name, so like that. This is the bitmap image, so we must to copy in here. So the header file for call this image to this bmp.ccp for we must to include the header file window.h and include a header file stdio.h. This header file for standard input output, and the header file include gl.h for the OpenGL 32 library, and include glu.h for header file glu32 library, and include glauh.h for header file glau.h library, and include the header file that we have have made this header file also. So this is the load bitmap image, the code for load bitmap image, like the stem like that. This is the file handle, so we cut the image. If don't cut, so this is make sure file name was given return null. If return null, it's not return null. And this check to see if the file exists. Do the file exist? If the file exists, close handle. If file null, it return null, but the file have exist. The file exists. The handle is closed. So load the bitmap and return pointer. So it's load the image to this and return. If load file, return null again. And here is the main program. So we must call include that the header file window.h, stdio.h, stdlib.h, and string.h, stdarg.h, and glut cloud.h, and bmp.h. this GL float. This is a array to hand texture handle, the whole texture handle, and include in Flutter the Flutter to use with the Flutter to use, but don't use, it's okay. GLUNINT texture to store it for 3 texture, like that, 3 texture. If a load texture, load bitmap and convert to texture. If the bitmap image loaded, and it will convert to the texture right here. Status indicator. This here to create storage space for the texture. Create space to the texture. And this code for set the pointer to null. And the below a code for load the bitmap and check for errors. If the bitmap is not found, it will be quit. If the name of the bitmap is don't have in here, or and not the name is not correct, the bitmap is not found, will be quit. And this code for set the status is true, and this code for create 3 texture. Create a nearest Flutter texture right here, and this is for create linear Flutter texture. And this code for create bitmap texture. If the texture is it, if the texture image is it, free the texture memory. It means if the texture is it, the memory will get the image or textures. This is code for free the image structure and retain the status. And therefore the resize weight high can be not resize the image texture. If we resize it, there's nothing. See, edit the time, call the time event, and request re-display, and request the next time event. And this is the keyword for zoom in, zoom out. sorry. Press zoom in, zoom out, and zoom in, and press F. If I press S, the flutter will show in here. So I will press F. Yeah. And this the polygon, cube polygon. Oh no, cube. This is the cube is front face, the red color, and this is the cube is back face, and this cube is the top face. This is the bottom face of cube, bottom face of cube, and this is the right face of cube. This is the left face of cube. Now this is the code for jump the texture load 10 and return if the texture don't load, return false. Enable texture map. This is enable texture map, and enable smooth setting, and the background is black. If I change it's one no one yeah. The window background is white. You can change the color by here. And this code for default setup and enable the default testing to and the type of the pathing test to do. This code for reply the night perspective calculation, and this code for set up the ambient light, and this code for set up default light, and this code for set up for position the light, and the main function for call the function display my keyboard timeline and display. If the main function don't call for function below, maybe it's not true. Like that. Yeah, thank you. I hope you enjoy with my video. See you next video and bye for now.